Hi, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm Caitlin, Sallie Tomato's social media specialist. How is it day 24 already? It feels like this Advent unboxing has flown by. Let's check out what day 24 has in store for us. Day 24, the perfect finishing touches for a classic style accessory. Save these items for day 25. We'd love to see what you create. Use hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. Today we have 3/4 rectangle rings and a small classic turn lock. The included rectangle rings and small turn lock are beautiful hardware elements to create a boutique-styled handmade bag. Turn locks function as closures for pockets, flaps, wallets, and bags, but also a sophisticated embellishment. Turn locks are easy to open and close. Just insert the metal turn unit through the opening of the base unit and twist the turn unit to a vertical position to secure the lock. I received the gold in my box, but there's a chance you will get the nickel or the gunmetal finish. Hold on to this item as you will need it for our final day. Please share and show off your photos of your completed project. We'd love to see your style. Use the hashtags Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media so we can see it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for our final unboxing day tomorrow. You won't want to miss what we have in store for you. Thanks for watching.